window buses, 23 of them. Look at that. What up? You guys are styling. Look at that. Shelby 02. Look at that. Orange with white stripes. Yeah, hood pins to keep it in. Hi. Morning. They're still rolling. Yeah. LS1, a 69 Chevelle. F1 Hyundai. Let's hear you rev it. The Willies. Four-door Willies with Nerf bars. 5.7 with a post. Ford that is. Dual twice pipes. Yeah. Morning. Wow. All the Tri-5s got that whole lineup over here. Whoops. 68 GTO. Yeah. Dying breed. We got a Falcon with some LED parking lights. Yeah, oh yeah. And looks better too.
that could be iffy depending on people's taste nowadays. Blacked out.
But he was out Adams race park in Riverside when we went out there to shoot the SCC 10 with Darren.
Yeah.
And he was rolling around that track. Drifting around the tracks, yeah. It was a good handling car.
Mine goes around the track good straight.
Yeah.
I had a 63 country sedan, and the guy from the Black Widow bought it. I bought this thing to flip, and when it arrived, the fucking whole frame cancer, just fucking like like a full-on fucking Swiss cheese. So he bought it because he was going to put it on and put a new chassis.
Hey, be rude. You guys want some?
So City Classic represent Robert and Russell. Look at this, huh? We got a high rock. GN, or Monte Carlo rather. Yeah, what's up, bro? Alberto! GC8 pony. As we stroll along together, holding hands. Ain't that off the hook, huh?
Wow.
63 and a half. The 406 cubes. Teardrop hood.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
It's such a mild blood pressure medicine. They don't even prescribe it anymore.
Nova, oh my. Silver over red, silver leather. Oh boy. Good John sporting that Down Live Teespring t-shirt. Pushing pedals, pulling gears.
I'm gonna get the bike out and ride around.
There you go.
Is that him, Rod?
Yeah, he's right there. If you've gotten this deep in the video, oh man, I have to warn you. Stay tuned. The next video you're gonna get on the docket, we're gonna beat them loading up 405 on ramp going north. I'll be What's going on?
How you doing?
Good. I'll be planted on a on ramp, and all these cars will be boogieing on up. Most of them. We'll catch them hitting up the gears. We're letting it shift itself. Some will go sideways, some will burn smoke. And we're gonna have a whole lot of noise and horsepower. Don't want to miss it. And please, as I depend on your viewer support, be a Patreon. Show me a monthly 5 ski, 10 ski, 20 ski. Hit my, as Daisy and Junior do. Daisy's always supporting the Dano Live. I go over to the shop. She takes good care of the Dano Live. Stanley over there with a Schaefer 8. But yeah, in order to keep me going on, I appreciate your donations. Whether you do a PayPal or be a Patreon, hit my GoFundMe if you can find it. I also got pushing pedals, pulling gears t-shirts on a Teespring. All these links are in my descriptions. Very much appreciated. Being retired, limited Social Security, doing this as a hobby. Need all the help I can get. I keep doing it. As you know, I'm like sidewalks, as Patrick, one of the organizers of the quarantine cruise, said. But Dano, you're like sidewalks. You're all over the place. Oh, excuse me. That wasn't Patrick that made that quote. Patrick said, you're like MasterCard, Dano. You're everywhere I want to be. I have to think a minute who said it. I'm like sidewalks all over the place. Oh boy. Don't get mad at me. At my age, I forget shit. They're still rolling in. Yeah. Monte Carlo. There's some IROCs. The old SS. Look at that, huh? Yeah, real hot rod. Yeah, nice morning with the top down. Yeah. All right, let's go deep and do some walking here. Most of the cars are pulled in here. Look at that Jeep. There's everything here. There's everything. Crew cab F1 Hyundais, all-wheel drive. Next to Volkswagen, Beetles and buses. He's got his Christmas wreath going. Look at that. Little tires, shiny Goodyears, just armor all them all up. Yeah, F250 Ranger XLT. Yeah. I'd cry if I had to get into that. It hurt me so bad, the body don't stretch no more. I get a 4-door Cadillac. Wide whites, Cadillac caps. Yeah. 300ZX. All right. Let's see what we got. I think we're gonna go deep a little bit. Stefan Marion. Stefan Marion. Oh. There were donks on that. Yeah, 65 goat. White guts. Curb peelers. Look at that, huh? Custom mic. Oh, yeah. Hey, what's going on, bro? Look at who we got here. We got Christine getting some video. What up? Oh. Where's your recording device?
I already did it.
I know, I saw you, but you didn't see me. Yeah. Look at that.
She was the first one here.
No.
Yeah, she was the first
of you
one.
guys, baby. Yeah, but not. Of,
I was the very first person here before anybody.
I don't know about that. I was over there. There's only four guys, the organizers.
She was
No,
here. The first with them.
I
She was
Really?
here at
the
like
whole
6
parking
a.m.
lot was jammed
Wow.
here. I thought I was in the wrong place.
Hey, Heck, you got a moment? Watch you meet Custom Mike. He does all. You've probably seen him on Facebook. He's got a lot of followers. And there's Christine. She was the first one here. This is Heck. Does tattoos, a HB legend. Yeah, one of the organizers, a Q9. Well, all of them. Exactly. Yep. Really?
Yeah, she was here. She was the first one in the parking lot, all alone.
Oh,
The picture
man.
was
Well,
like,
I would've-
is this the right place?
If I would have known that.
You told her to be here at 6.
Yeah.
Come on now. You weren't even here. Slacker.
I was slightly thereafter. I came in the other gate. Cool. Look at that. That's a 54, don't you think?
I don't know.
Look at that grill, huh? I know.
I'm not a connoisseur.
They now that's the earlier one. See the grill difference?
Well, that was. I thought he had a GMC.
Look at the Cadillac. Custom Cadillac. So just for the record, I did not steer you wrong, did I?
Yeah. It's okay.
Okay. Yeah, this is wow, it's wild.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah. There's so many rows.
I mean, it's probably triple the amount of car show when I did my live.
Yeah.
Completely nuts.
Yeah.
I probably need to go do another one now.
Yep. Yep, it's filling in. You're gonna miss them. You can't get them all.
No, there's no way I'm going to get them all.
I'll give you another tip. Be on the 405 North on-ramp when they come out of here.
Yeah, we're gonna do live from the car hauler.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I wonder if you could dump the car hauler on the side and the shoulder. And, all
No,
right.
we're just gonna film as we roll, you know.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Oh, yeah, that's even better.
Scardo's running truck.
Who's? Oh, yeah. Okay. Did Christine bring her Corvette?
Here.
Oh, wow. Wow.
You haven't found it yet?
Yeah, boy, I can't believe it. Who?
You haven't found her yet?
No. I don't know. Well, if you're so early, why are you so far?
Right over here. She didn't know where to go.
I knew where to go, and then the guy that was putting it on, he pulled in. I go, and I asked him, I go, do you know where the car show's at? And he goes, you're at it. And I go, oh, okay. He was parked, so I parked.
Yeah, I know. Look at how big this lot is, and it's still getting filled up.
Yeah, it's crazy.
But we parked around the back too. So many different types of genres of cars.
Yeah, no, it's crazy.
Look at this split.
Yeah, I know you like this one.
Look at that. I'm trying to go deep and go back.
Yeah.
It's hard.
But yeah, the user experience is much better. Thanks, Dano.
You're welcome, guys. We'll see you. All right, have fun. Look at that powder, baby blue. Yeah, custom C10. Oh boy, that's sweet. Odads. 57. Yeah. Oh, Fairlane 500. Look at that. Oh, got a post. Rose. Mustang 2. Well, not 2, but a new, also. Honda. Some of the storefronts. Yeah, F1 Hyundai. '71. Now you can see why people come early. They want to get a choice spot. That don't really matter. For this, any spot's a choice spot.
In case somebody stopped. Oh, yeah. It's just like a Tesla. For years?
Hoonigan.
I love that.
LS3 and that's 66. Ah, look at it down here. Out of Anaheim. 60 Chevy. Award-winning Chevy mats. And back there with the ball cap on.
The only difference that it was lighter.
5.6. 5.6. Look at that. Man, look at that. I think that's Dave Dolmas. You're everywhere. Whoa. Whoa. Silent. Dave Dolmas. Barracuda. You're Belinda. How about that part job, Adam? A long roof 62. How you doing? Look at that MFR. Yeah, we see this down at Donuts. Yeah. nuggets. We got hot rods. Wow. I like this. Baby blue. It's hard to see when the sun's shining at me. Dog disc caps.
Good morning, sunshine.
Trident's in the house. John Seck too. I saw you at Donuts yesterday. Well, I saw the car. I didn't see you. I didn't see you. I was standing right there. Yeah. You one of the guys that parked the car and go somewhere else, huh?
First time I'm gonna take a little walk and check it out.
Oh yeah.
You guys know Dano?
Yeah. Yeah.
He got the monster truck I was in last time.
Yeah. Yeah. I try not to skip a beat. But I have to go over to John's house to get his car. You don't bring them all out. That's John's car right there. And the Cadillac. Look at that. Got some bolt-ons. Car. They're still rolling by.
Hey, Brian, this is it, dude. This is the cabin we have, bro. Oh, can we just say this? Hold on.
Say hi to what's her name? His name is Axel. Axel. Say hi to Axel. We got old.
Oh, carbon fiber.
Oh no, that's right. I parked down the street, so they won't be exactly the same here. Bye.
Well, you know, I'm watching my AM gauge right now because I got a fan, I got the air ride when the compressor kicks on, and I got turn signals on and headlights on. I'm like below 12 on the gauge. And I'm like,
The computer relies on it too, right? It needs that.
yeah,
What's the
Is that guy who has that out Camaro? They have that hellfish or what is it?
Trident's in the house. Who was Blake? He didn't get up?
Oh yeah, God knows what he's doing.
Good morning, how are you? Good. Whoa, what up, Wonder Woman?
I got a treat for you.
You do?
Yes.
What do you
3
got?
Royal Crimsons together.
Oh, how rare is that? I thought you only had the only one.
No, we're putting a group together with a friend of mine, and we are
Cool.
finding all the Royal Crimsons in California.
Wow.
Here's what
Look
my
at
car
that.
used to look like, and now what it looks like.
Hey, look at that.
Right?
Wow.
Boom.
I thought for sure you would be the only one. Yeah. That's cool though. Yeah, get them all in line. Yeah.
Yeah, we're missing 2 more, but
There's a total of 5?
so far 5 of us.
5 of them. Oh. Wow. Huh?
Right?
Coming to a show near you soon. All 5. All right. All right. Packed. Yeah. Look at that. How about that? Look at this. We saw this rolling by us. Yeah. It's just that you don't see many of these, you know? You see a lot of these. I don't see many of these.
Fire. We're right here. Right here. It's like on the back side of this. It's on the corner. So like you're coming in that parking lot on the back side. You know when we were looking at vans, I got microwave. I caught him off your phone. Yeah, it was cloudy. But then around San Clemente, San Onofre, the skies parted. Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, 396. Beautiful in red. One sick GM. Yeah. Check it out, or make sure she had no stuff in her teeth.
Let's go over here, babe.
What, they want 13 grand?
Yeah. How much can you buy it back for?
Look at that.
Oh, they got the hood up on the orange for the old truck.
And he sold it?
There's Sean Silver. '67 Tempest. Yeah, it's 3 2s. How about that? Yeah. Looks like Walter over there sporting the SCC Classics t-shirt. Yeah. So, yeah, it is Walter. Sporting the colors of SCC. Checking out the C10. Yeah. He didn't see me yet. I spotted you already, Walt. What do we got here? Is that Lincoln? We're even back over here. We got Mary and Mouse. Oh, the Flame. Flame Fame 75, Mary and Mouse. Right there. Next, oh, Curtis Speed. Box bodies. Yeah. Try 5 roll. Going on, what a lineup! What a lineup!
How's it going?
Good, good. How cool you guys all rode in.
Last time we got the cruise over here, we took an exit on the last hit. Not the last one, one before that. That might be some paint.
Stephans 5-5 with a post. Kiwi 5-7. Custom mic. Oops, excuse me. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not sure which is the trailer queen. Hey, Mike. Hey, Mike. Mike. I'm not sure which is the trailer queen.
Oh, they're both trailer queens. It's the only combo you'll find with 2 chop cops and the same vehicle.
Okay.
Beat that.
Yeah.
I don't see anybody around. Not even that. Did you see the other international?
Yeah.
The unchopped one? That gives you an idea what
Right.
those look like.
Yeah. Cool. 2 in 1 spot.
Yeah, maybe I'll do a burnout later. You know?
Okay.
Hey!
Back to the 5-7s. Try 5s rather. And my co-host hanging out with his buddy in a 5-6. Look at these clowns. Oh, the future outriders. Oh, they're still rolling in. Look at that. EMC 370. Wow. custom mics. Christine up on the trailer with the Volvo. Scotto up front, Mike in the back with Kaylee, Neville Ohms. Oh man, this Polaris, look at that, 392 Hemi in it, 9 passenger. And the shadow's in the way, but that's a nice ride, huh? She's real fine line. 49. Bring your Chevelle? Whoops.
I just want to apologize again so he
I'm recording here. Thank you. Yeah.
You never stop.
Yeah. I know. I'm like Energizer Bunny. You got it. Yeah. Oh, isn't it the best, huh? We can't get that many cars in Garden Grove, though. Yeah. Volkswagens.
Open the door and just jump in.
So I just put rags right there in the seat because that's
Where's your brother?
money on the interior. Actually, I did spend a lot of money.
At the wrong road. How about that? Rick and Ron. Phil, you made it. I knew one of these flyers I sent you'd show up,
Yeah,
huh?
that's right.
This is the best one, huh?
Nice, man.
To bring to Malibu?
No, I came out with Mouse.
Okay, oh yeah, I saw Mouse's car over there.
Yeah.
I'm saying Marion Mouse, but it's Phil and Mouse.
Yes.
Good seeing you, Phil. Yeah. Got an award-winning Chevelle. Best of show. Look at that. Nice road there, huh? Look at all that. Hope I get them all in the camera. Yeah. GT350H. H standing for Hearst.
Yeah, the seats are definitely different.
Look at that, huh? Custom. Zafra. Railroad.
I'll take it. I know you
Let's see what else we got here.
Your timing is good as
Dave Parker is exercising his camera. He's gonna have a load of content. Custom Mike is making another run at it. I think we pretty much got that row. I think we got almost everything covered. I know new stuff has fallen in since we last did a run through here, but for the most part we got them. I apologize up front if we missed somebody. We got guys that parked their cars in 2 spaces. And we got Steve Overstreet over here with Darren Smith, DWS, and Andy represent. Yeah. Hey, who's that? Kayleen. Look at that, huh? What up? John, how you doing? Hey, look at that. How you doing? I'm fine, yeah. Cool. Everything good?
Yeah.
What about these gyms closing down, huh?
Yeah, I got to know the DL gyms. I shouldn't say that loud.
The DL?
Yeah, they're all out in Riverside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We got a bunch of DL gyms out there.
Okay.
If we get locked down, it's okay.
Yeah. I know.
I love that fucking asshole, Gavin Newsom.
You see last night downtown Huntington Beach after 10 o'clock, they were at the pier and on Main Street PCH, and they were protesting.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah, I wasn't there, but I saw it. One of my buddies was filming it.
He's gonna get sued by everybody and then shove a fucking jacket over his ass. They'll probably say, give me some more.
John. What do you think, Steve?
There's a lot of people here.
I think there's more people than cars, though. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so. You're right.
But all the different types, huh? Wow.
Yeah, you definitely can't say there's not a variety of cars.
No, yeah. Whether it's new or old, classic or retro or hot rods, rat rods, they're all here.
Just about everything.
Yep. New ZL1s.
Every taste is here, that's for sure.
Hey, I thought that was a Dano Live sponsor. Willie! What up, and Jacob? What's up, my broski? Yeah. Second. Oh, I like these, huh? 2-door burps. Look at that. 9 passenger, I believe. 64. Look at that. We even got Pontiac Grand Ams. Everything all over the place.
It's hard to say. It's hard to get it back. It's like I'm looking for something. Well, this is so unique because last time we were here, it was overcast. And so,
Well, and it was later.
look at some of the weather. It's supposed to be year round. It's like this year round.
You like that white over like salmon 5.5 with a post. Yeah. Something for everyone. Look at this cab over. How cool is that? C600. Where do you find these things, huh? Wow. SS454. Silverado from Sierra GMC. Oh, you made it! You're hiding over here in the shade, huh? It's getting starting to get warmer. I know, about time, yeah. Dano Live, Dano Vision. 98 4-door hardtop. Yeah, Continental. A5 Blazer. Ah, here comes a you lose Camaro. Look at that. Jim and Barbie all. Hey, you made it! Hello, Jim, Barbie! Hello! Cool. You'd lose Camaro is in the house. Wow. What a show. Dano Live. Hey. Dadgy-an. I see Trident's Car Club President Blake. There's Chase. Hey Val, what up? Look at you. Who you got riding shotgun? I said, who's riding shotgun? Ah! Hey, you guys are late, yeah. Give a plug for your channel.
What?
Give a plug for your channel.
In the car. Underscore Instagram and Dex_Steel.
Cool. All right. Enjoy the cruise. Chase! What up, bro? How you been? Oh, looking good. Sorry, Dave. Blake, you're late. What up, dog? You're late. Yeah. You're right where you need to be, right? How about that? Trident's in the house. Chase, my most favorite 67 Bonneville with Astro Supremes. Yeah, I think it's one of the biggest ones, man.
What's that?
I think it's one of the biggest ones.
Seems like it.
Yeah.
So far, so good.
And Val, get in the car. How about that? Maybe a cover photo. Oh boy.
Go!
Opa. Hey, Dano live over there with Willie live. You gotta turn your phone the other way, bro. Walter, where you going, bro? Hey! Jason, or Heck. No.
Right now.
Here, Jason. You guys going over Long Beach? I'm gonna close this down or walk with me. We're gonna get over on the 405 on ramp. Oh man, get me out of the mud.
Go! Dano, watch up the car.
I got you covered, Patrick.